Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kumshibanta ka jingpen trekam yaga National Education Policy ka kanhon menteri jong sarkar jilla. Haka khat khandai tarik unok pra arjar arpesan kala menjuri yaga State Curriculum Framework. Khnang baki Khynnah red ki badang Pule yaga pre-nursery. Hadu Class 1 kin haban Pule yaki daktho haga Ktien Khasi bat yaki daktho haga Ktien Garo. Haga jing yakran bat gilat pathai khubor, menteri rang ba ka jilla konrad ke sangma. Ulaya tu ba kani kan trekam Naduh kesamoi Pule jong snem arjar arpun reu habaro ki Skul ki badan hapo ke jilla Meghalaya.
The Cabinet has approved the State Curriculum Framework for Foundational Stage for the education, where syllabus of preschool for Class 1 has been approved, and the different textbooks have been also introduced. And I just want to stress on this that the idea is that during those foundational stages, we are trying to focus on aspects of personality development, aspects of certain values to be instilled in our citizens and the young children, and we are focusing on culture and the history of the state, and we are also ensuring that it becomes mandatory for every child to learn both Khasi and Garo language. So we are introducing textbooks. I'll just show you the example of some of the textbooks like these. If you can see that both Garo and Khasi are there in this. So we want every child to learn both our languages, and so this is also being introduced. And we are also introducing and structuring the system and simplifying it so that it's easier for the children to grasp the basic aspects of the education which we'd like to have in them. And of course, some of the schools have already approved their framework, the syllabus for the next academic year. So this year, we are not making it mandatory for them to take all the textbooks that we are proposing. But from next year onwards, we will make it mandatory. But this year, we're making it optional. So this has been approved by the Cabinet, and we're rolling this out.